7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Panagbenga 2026, Blooming Without End. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. To our dear tourists who traveled far, and of course, to our beloved, blessed residents, mga taga Baguio, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuba, at Tublay. A warm, flower-filled welcome to the 30th Panagbenga Festival. Today, we celebrate our birth anniversary with the theme Blooming Without End. This isn't just a festival. It's a symbol of our resilience and cultural pride. Kaya naman, bago tayo magsimula, let's keep the energy high and the smiles blooming. Q&A portion. Question: ano ang kahulugan ng salitang panagbenga? Answer: ito ay mula sa wikang Kankanay na ibig sabihin ay season of blooming o panahon ng pagkadkad ng mga bulaklak. The legacy of resilience. Alam niyo ba, mga sisi at mga bes, na ang panagbenga ay nagsimula noong 1996. It was born out of a beautiful purpose to help our city recover from the 1990 earthquake. Today, 30 years later, we are not just surviving, we are thriving. Baguio is alive and vibrant. Sa mga nagsasabing traffic na naman, isipin natin ang positibong hatid nito. This is the time when our local economy, from the strawberry farmers of La Trinidad to our creative artists, really shines. It's our time to showcase why Baguio is a world-class destination. Question: bakit mahalaga ang pagpapatuloy ng panagbenga kahit lumipas na ang 30 taon? 30 years. Sagot: dahil ito ang nagsisilbing haligi ng turismo at kabuhayan ng Cordillera at nagpapatibay sa ating pagkakakilanlan bilang creative city sa ilalim ng UNESCO. The Grand Parades, what to expect? Mark your calendars. The festival officially opens on February 1 with the Grand Opening Parade. Dito natin makikita ang mga bata na nagpapakitang gilas sa drum and lyre competition. But the main courses of our Floral Fest are on February 28 for the Grand Street Dance Parade and March 1 for the Grand Floral Float Parade. And here's a tip for our tourists. Walking is the key dahil inaasahan ang dagsa ng tao. Mas masarap namnamin ang simoy ng hangin at ang makulay na bulaklak sa pamamagitan ng paglalakad. Physical exercise na Instagrammable pa. Q&A portion, question, saan karaniwang ginaganap ang mga malalaking parade? Sagot, nagsisimula ito sa Upper Session Road, bumababa sa Session Road, dadaan sa Magsaysay Avenue at magtatapos sa Melvin Jones Grandstand. Beyond the parades, we have the Market Encounter and Session Road. If you love food and crafts, huwag palampasin ang Market Encounter sa Burnham Park starting February 1. At sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit hanggang March ang celebration, ito ay para mas mahaba ang pagkakataon ng bawat isa na maranasan ang Session Road in bloom. March 2 to 8. Imagine the main road of Baguio transformed into pedestrian paradise with stalls, music, and art. To our residents, thank you for your patience. Your cooperation in waste management and traffic discipline is what makes this festival a success. Let's show them the true Baguio discipline. Ano ang kaibahan ng Panagbenga launching sa opening parade? Sagot, ang launching ay January 12 ay ang paglalabas ng official calendar, habang ang opening parade February 1 ang formal na simula ng mga aktibidad sa kalsada. As we reach the end of our tour, don't forget the PMA Alumni Homecoming, that is February 19 to 22, and the magical flowers in the sky fireworks display on March 8. This 30th year is a testament that Baguio's spirit is indeed blooming without end. Sana po sa inyong pag-uwi, bitbit ninyo ay hindi lang mga pasulubong, kundi ang mga magagandang alaala ng ating kultura. Be proud of our heritage. Let's support our local businesses, small or large. Kita-kits sa Session Road. Again, I am your tour guide reminding you, breathe Baguio, love Panagbenga. Maraming salamat at matago-tago kayong lahat. Ano ang magandang alternatibo kung ayaw makipagsabayan sa dagsa ng tao sa parades? Sagot, maaaring bisitahin ang Panagbenga Escapes Landscape Exhibition o ang Plural Fiesta Bouquet Competition para sa mas tahimik ngunit makulay na karanasan.
One. Awan, nakaigum aja deh.
Oo nga. Sandali, pwede pa naman. Ano. Ito na, papasok ko na sa'yo. Alam gawin. Thank you.